Good morning, dear children. So in the previous class we were doing addition and subtraction of fractions, and we have finished. Many of you did and sent me. So I hope you have understood. So this week we are going to do something completely different, and those are multiplication of fractions. So in multiply there is a special rule. We have to reduce and then multiply. But before that, let me explain that. Now just say these are two enemy lines. Okay? Enemy lines. Or we can say this is red house and blue house. Now you have to cancel each other. Okay? You see a target and you cancel. This target, this person can cancel this person. This person can cancel this person, that is directly. But we cannot cancel your own teammate side by side. We have to cancel or target that is on the opposite of this line. Okay? We can target any person. This person can target this person. It can be sideways. It can be sideways. It can be sideways, but not. It can be top and bottom, but not sideways, not side by side. You cannot cancel your own friends. You cannot target them. Okay? Just like a video game. You can target only the enemy, but not your friends. So, this one you can cancel with this. This can cancel with this. This one can cancel with this. This one can cancel with this one. Okay? But not side by side. You cannot target your own friends. Okay? So to understand better, let's do the sums. Now, if the sums or if the numbers can be reduced, we have to reduce them first. If it cannot be reduced, we multiply straight away. We multiply numerator with numerator, and we multiply denominator with denominator. Okay, to get the answer. Got it? Okay, let's try. 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 4. Now we cannot reduce any number here. So what do? We multiply the numerator. 1 into 1, 1. 5 4s are 20. So the answer, when you multiply 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 4, we get the answer 1 upon 20. So quickly, it is faster than addition of fractions and subtraction of fractions. It is easy also, but you must learn to reduce. Let's look at number 2 now. Again, we have 1, we have 7 in the numerator. In the denominator, we have 8 and 12. Now let's see if we can cancel. Does 7 go into 8 and 12? No, it doesn't go. So let's multiply. 1 7s are multiply straight away now. 7 1s are 7, or 1 7s are 7. 8 12s are 96, and that is your answer. It's like magic, no? But you have to understand. If you have to reduce, you have to check before multiplying. If the numbers cannot be reduced, you can multiply straight away. Again, numerator, denominator and denominator. Okay, let's have a look. You cannot reduce, so 1 1s are 1, 5 4s are 20. Simple. You cannot reduce, 1 7s are 7, 8 12s are 96. That's your answer. Now let's look at number 3. 1 into 3, 3 into 5. Now, you see a 3 in the numerator, you see a 3 in the denominator. Now you can reduce or you can cancel. You can cancel. One lollipop cancels, another lollipop. One lollipop cancels, another lollipop. Okay? You have to cancel. Just think that these two numbers can be cancelled. They are the same. So, we cancel. 3 1s are 3, 3 ones are 3. Again, 1 upon 3 into 3 upon 5. Here, there is no number we can cancel, but here we can cancel. The bottom one is your enemy, the top one is you. So we find the 3, we find the 3. We find the enemy. So let's cancel. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Now we multiply because we cannot cancel anymore. So 1 ones are 1, whatever is left, 1 fives are 5. So 1 and 5 is left. Again, let me do one more time. 1 upon 3 into 3 upon 5. So let me cancel with a different chalk. 1 and 5 doesn't cancel, but 3 and 3 cancels. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Cancel means to reduce or remove the number. So the number that remains here is 1, 1. 1, 5. Multiply. 1 ones are 1, 1 fives are 5. And that is your answer. It's so simple, no? So whenever you get a sum, have a look. We've got 7, 4, 12, 21. Then we have a look at the numbers. Can it cancel? Does 7 go into 4? No. Does 7 go into 21? Yes. Again have a look. Look at 4. 4. Will 4 go into 7? No. Will 4 go into 12? Yes. So let's see if we cancel. 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. So we have cancelled that. We've got a new sum. Then we got 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. We've got 1 and 3, we've got 1 and 3. Now do not cancel 1 and 1 because if you keep on cancelling, it will never cancel. 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. So you can, if 1 is there, leave it, okay? So we've got 3 here, 3 here. We can cancel that also. 3 ones are 3 ones. Now we multiply. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. 1 upon 1 equals 1. 1 apple, 1 person. So how many apples does that person get? 1 apple. So let me redo that sum. 7 upon 4 into 12 upon 21. So are we ready? Okay. 4 goes into 12 how many times? 4 ones are 4 threes. 7 and 21 will they cancel? Yes. 7 ones are 7 threes. Now 3 will cancel 3 also. 3 ones are 3 ones are. So we've got left. What is left? 1, 1, 1, 1. So 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. 1 upon 1, 1. Did you understand? Okay, so let us do some more sums. The more we do, the more you will understand. Remember in class I do a lot of sums to my children so that my children understand. But let's do 12 upon 20 into 25 upon 24. Okay, so let's do another sum. 1 upon 4 into 4. 60 into 5 upon 4. Let's do some more. 2, 1 upon 2 off. Let me explain this later. 3, 1 upon 5. 5, 1 upon 5 off 10 upon 30. Now let's have a look. So have a look at this fraction now. We've got 12 upon 20 into 25 upon 24. But before we multiply, let's reduce, or let's see if which numbers go into the other number. But we should never cancel numerator, denominator and denominator. We can cancel numerator and denominator, or numerator on this side and denominator on the other side. You can cancel cross cancellation also. So let's see. 12 and 24. Will 12 go into 24? Yes. We can do 12 times table. 12 ones are 12 twos are. Got that? Now which number will go into 25 and 20? Very good. 5. 5 fives are 25. 5 fours are 20. Okay? So now what numbers we have? 1, 5, 4, 2. Now we cannot cancel. 1 5s are 5 and 4 2s are 8. And this is your answer. So easy. Okay? 12 are 12, 12 2s are 24. 5 5s are 5 4s are. So we cannot cancel anymore. So we multiply. 1 5s are 5, 4 2s are 8. Now have a look at this number. 1 upon 4 into 4. There's no number at the bottom. So what should we do? One of the students asked me, sir, he circled it and sent me and said, what to put? This is wrong. Now, whenever you see only a whole number, you can put 1 below. Okay? So, we've got 1 upon 4 into 4 upon 1. So, this, some of you do not understand this because you do not look at the video. So, please look at the video to understand. So, you can cancel 4 ones are 4 ones are. Now we've got a new number. 1 1 1 1. 1 ones are 1. 1 ones are 1. 1 upon 1. 1 is your answer. Did you understand? Okay, let's have a look at this now. We've got 16 into 5 upon 4. There's only 16, so what should we put? 1. Now let's see if we can reduce or if it cancels. Can we cancel side by side? No. Can we cancel numerator and denominator? Yes. Will 4 go into 5? No. Will 4 go into 16? Yes. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. Now we've got 4 upon 1 into 5 upon 1. So we don't have any more numbers to cancel, so multiply straight away. 4 5s are 20 upon 1. So, there's 20 sweets and it has to be given to one person. How many will this one person get? He will get 20 sweets itself. So, 20 upon 1 equals 20. Let's do this. I've told you before, whenever you see a mixed number, it must be converted into a improper fraction. 2 2s are 4 plus 1. 5 upon 2. Off and multiply is the same thing. But later on I will be teaching you board mass where it's something different, where off has to be done before multiply. But off means multiply. Okay? So we can write a multiply sign or we can write off. We can change that off into a multiply sign. 5 to the 15 plus 1. 16 upon 5. Now this fraction looks like the upper fraction. So let's see if we can reduce. Will 5 go into 5? Yes. 5 ones are 5 ones are 2 ones are 2 8s are. Now what is the answer? 1 and 8, 1 and 1. Let's multiply. 8 ones are 8, 1 ones are 1. 8 upon 1 equals 8. Let's do it again. Whenever you see a mixed number, what should we do? Convert. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 upon 2. Off means multiply. 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16 upon 5. After you have converted, look at the numbers. If it can be reduced or if the one number is another factor. Okay? So 2 and 16 we can cancel. 2 ones are 2. Goes into 16 8 times. 5 ones are 5 will go into 5, 5 ones are. So 1 and 8, 1 and 1. Multiply the numerator and numerator, denominator and denominator. 1 8 is 8, 1 1 is 1. And your answer 8. 8 upon 1 equals 8. Remember that 1 upon 8 equals 1 upon 8. Doesn't change. 8 upon 1 equals 8. Remember that. This is a fraction and 8 is a whole number. Okay? So let's do the last sum. Pay attention. First step, convert. 5 5 is up, 25 plus 1, 26 upon 5. Off means multiply. And we don't have to convert this because there's no whole number, so you write the same number, 10 upon 13. Now let's have a look. Will 5 and 26 cancel? No. Will 5 and 10 cancel? Yes. 5 1s are 5 2s. Will 26 and 13 cancel? Some of you are saying no. But always have a look. 13 1s are 30. Let's see. 13 2s are 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. Yes, it cancels. So 13 1s are 13 2s. So numerator and numerator 2s are 4, 1 1s are 1. And answer is 4. I hope you have understood. I'll give you a lot of sums to practice. Okay, the more we practice, the more you will know. Is that clear? So next class we'll be doing the same thing. So if you haven't understood, please write, tell me, to explain. Is that clear? So I hope you have understood this multiplication of fractions. It's easy. It's faster than addition and subtraction of fraction. So dear children, till the next class, see you and bye for now.